Obitore, a fresh and clean funeral home and funeral listing WordPress theme. Hi, today we will learn this theme demo installation. In the beginning, go to the appearance of dashboard and to the theme for adding new. Click upload theme. It will ask you for choosing file. Make sure you have selected the exact zip file of Obitore and you will get it while purchasing this. Now install it. After installing, click to activate. It will require you a list of plugins for beginning installation. So select all of these plugins to start installation, then click apply. After installing, return to the required plugins installer. Select them to activate. Now back to the dashboard and go to the installed plugins. Get RT demo importer. You can delete these after demo content install. If you want, you can. Here is our required Obitore funeral home WordPress theme with 3 different homepage demos. Import any one from these. This Obitore WordPress theme, a fully responsive WPM translation ready with multi-advanced feature-packed and monetization ways to build a funeral website. Thank you for watching.